Okay, today we will go with nature. You should be a recipe, but recipe I'm leaving for next week. It's very nice activity, so I want to have it at the end. Today I will go with nature, and I want you to watch the short video. I will stop it, only the short video. Later I will send you on WhatsApp. You can watch all of it. It shows us what is nature, okay? It's very beautiful. I love this video. Wait a minute. Nature is Speaking by Julia Roberts. Oh, it's amazing. You will like it too. I need to share my sound. Okay, now you should hear. Okay.
Some call me nature. Others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years. 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I falter, you falter. Or worse.
Isn't it very nice video? It has very beautiful English, very clear English. Yes, you can, I think, understand some parts. Yes, they have very hard words, but wow, it's very, very beautiful. I will send you for evening. We can talk about this video, what you've seen. 1 minute, I want to send you. I want to share with you. So, what is the nature? What's the nature? Who can tell me? What is nature for you?
Doğa.
Yes. And what is it for you? Is it, I don't know, is it important for you? Do you care about?
The natural
Uh-huh.
for
Wait.
me, everything. It's alive. It is alive. Everything also.
Yes, nature is everything. Very good. Bravo. Beautiful. Zamzam, what is the nature for you?
I would say same things. Dilek and I think beginning of life and peaceful
Yes, it's peaceful. Very good.
and
Yes.
beautiful and
Yes, very good. It's peaceful, it's beautiful, it's very nice. Good, very good. Bravo Zemzem. Birgül, what is nature? Miss Birgül. Can you? Yes, you. Me. Yes, you. What is the nature?
The nature is yes. The nature is all the animals, the plants.
Yes.
It's vahşi doğa.
Yes, yes, it's all of it. It's all of it. Yes, bravo. Very beautiful, Birgül. Very good. Kübra, what is the nature for you?
Nature is life.
Yes, the nature is life. Very good. Beautiful. The nature is life. Marcia, you will be the last.
The nature, creative life, all the live, all of the live, creative life, and the people, all the people, a day, all the people a day turn place.
Yes, they turn. Yes, it's place for the people. Yes. Yes, very
Yes,
good.
yes.
Okay, beautiful. Gülar, you too. Tell me as well. I want to hear that. I want to hear you speaking.
It is water and tree and animals, and all the people are life.
Yes, it's life for all the people. It's life for all the people. Very good. Very beautiful. Cankat, I can't stop. I said, that's the one I can't stop. Cankat, you tell me it's beautiful. Yes?
I think nature is freedom.
Ha.
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah.
Nature is
Gibi.
the freedom. Yes, it is.
Evet.
Bravo.
Evet.
Yes, nature is the freedom. Very good. It's beginning. Yes, it's the freedom. Good. Okay, let's keep on going. So, yeah, so, what I did. I can't. Here we go. I couldn't open it somehow. Okay, now I am opening. So today we will be talking about the nature, and nature is really everything. And first of all, yes, we need to know what is the nature. Nature is the earth, it's the ocean, and the sea, and the mountains. Yes, mountains, dağlar, and the sky. Sky, gökyüzü. It's a forest, ormanlar, and animals. Yes, nature is earth, ocean, sea, mountains, sky, forest, and animals. Okay, you see here two different pictures. This is the world without the nature, world without nature, and this is the world with nature. Without means yok. Yes, without it.
Dışında.
Yes. And the together, yes, means together, and without is nature is not here. Okay, so what do you think? In my opinion, the nature is very important and we need to learn how to live with the nature. The nature, the world would be with no people, maybe, I don't know. What do you think? Is nature important, Dilek? Is the nature important? Önemli, yes? Is the nature important?
The nature important is respect.
Yes.
First respect,
Mhm.
and then clean important.
Yes.
um,
It's important to keep the nature
Protect.
clean.
Protect, and all people mention protect the natural.
Yes, all people should protect the nature or must protect the nature. Very good. Bravo. Beautiful answer. Okay. Now I will give you some the words and listen carefully. I will ask you the questions, okay? River, you know, it's nehir, yes? River. The longest river in the world, it's Nile. The longest river is Nile, yes? It's in Egypt. It's the longest river. Okay. Then we have flowers. This is easy word, flowers. Flowers, there are many types of flowers. There are many types, çeşit of flowers, yes? Sand, kum, yes, sand. Maldives is famous for white sand beaches. Yes, we are famous for white sand beaches. Okay, lake, girl, yes, lake. Lake Van is the largest lake in Turkey. Lake Van is the largest lake in Turkey. Okay. Sea. Deniz, yes. Sea. Okay. Sea or ocean, we can say. Sea. Turkey is surrounded by 4 seas. Yes, by 4 seas. In Turkey, we have 4 seas. Surrounded. This is very beautiful word. Surrounded. Yes. Okay. Cliff. Cliff. Yes. Climbing. Yes. Very good. Cliff. Sümela Monastery. You know Sümela, it's in Trabzon. Yes. Very beautiful. Sümela Monastery is on the edge. Neyin edge'inde? On the edge of cliff. It's on the edge of cliff. Okay. Waterfall. This is a very nice word. Waterfall. Angel Falls are the largest waterfalls in the world. Angel Falls are the largest, the biggest one, waterfalls in the world. Not in America. Ha ha, news. That's the largest one. Okay, mountains. Everest Mountain is the highest. It's the highest mountain in the world. Yes, it's the highest mountain in the world. Okay. Bushes. Bushes. Bushes, it's küçük ağaçlar, alçak ağaçlar, değil mi?
Evet.
Bushes. Okay, I don't know what is it, does it have a word in Turkish? Bushes. No. Ayrıca bir kelime yok değil mi Türkçe'de?
Bodur ağaçları
Bu
diyorlar.
hocam çalılık demek.
Çalı.
Çalı
okay,
öyle
good.
biliyorum.
Çaldık.
Bodur
Ben
ağaç.
süper, ben de öğrendim. Okay, bushes. Australia has a lot of bushes. Australia, yes, in Australia they have a lot of bushes. Okay, now I will try ask you some different sentences about with these words that we learned already. I will try to ask you. Where is the tree? Wait, 1 minute. I missed one picture. Where is it? Tree. 1 minute. Not here. Not here. Tree. Tree is easy one. Tree, which one? Tree. Russia has the largest number of trees. Russia has the largest number, biggest number of trees in the country, yes? Hills. Hills is not the mountain, yes? Hills, alçak olanlar.
Tepe.
Küçük tepeler, yes, bravo. Bunu ben de biliyorum. Tepe. Okay, hills. There are no mountains in Lithuania. There are no mountains in Lithuania, but there are lots of hills. We have lots of hills in Lithuania. Okay, here we go. Now we have all of the words. Now I'll ask you to make a sentence with a river. Any kind of sentence about the river. Zemzem, can you make me a sentence about the river?
Some mistakes already, forgive me, but I can try. And
Yes.
this waterfall maybe on the lake, and smaller than lake, and
Yes.
I think became river.
Yes, very good. It's smaller than lake and it's a river. Very good. Bravo. Beautiful. Marcia, can you make a sentence with flowers?
Again, please.
Flowers, please. Can you make me a sentence?
Flowers and my house, in front of my house, in garden, a lot of flowers. Then other behind garden, a few flowers.
Oh, you have only few flowers in back garden.
Yeah.
In your back garden, few flowers. Very good. Beautiful. That's nice. Okay. Miss Güler, sand.
And neydi hocam?
Gene mi? Herkese mi sesi kesi geliyor mu şu anda arkadaşlar? Benim sesim mi kesi geliyor?
Evet, yok. Arkadaşların konuştuğu kes geliyor hocam.
Size herkese mi geliyor mu şu anda? O zaman
Geliyor.
soru bende değil.
Geliyor.
Aa.
Peki geliyor hocam.
Soru ama
Geliyor.
bende değil, eğer iki kişi değilse bende değil soru. Eğer herkese gelse soru o zaman bendeydi ama değil. Okay. Okay. Miss
Sen-
Güler, sen.
Sen, neydi hocam?
Kum.
Ha, kum. Antalya has a lot of sands by the sea river.
Bravo, yes. By the seashore, by the sea river, we can say by seashore. Very
Sure.
good. Bravo Güler. Bravo. Very nice. Okay, Dilek. Lake. Lake. What we can talk about lake, girl, yes?
Hi guys, the lake, the biggest one lake in Turkey. I like to I can see to like I go to sometimes
Lake.
lake,
Lake.
sorry.
Good.
Being
Very good. Yes, very good. So, except the like. Like is good. Very good. No, good. Like, why you? No. Good. Very good. Okay. Let's keep on going. Marcia, sea or the ocean? Sea, maybe. Sea is easier.
Sea. Mediterranean.
Mediterranean.
Sorry, Mediterranean is smaller sea than big ocean.
Yes.
Yes.
Mediterranean Sea is smaller than an ocean. Good. Bravo. Very good. Çiğdem, cliff. Cliff.
Cliff.
Sümella, cliff.
Yüksek tırmanmak değil mi hocam?
Cliff nedir ya Türkçe'de? Ben de bilmiyorum.
Tırmanmak mı?
Yok değil. Cliff.
Yamaç.
Yamaç.
Evet.
Ha?
Oluyor.
Yamaç. Yes. Ben de Türkçe bilmiyorum. Cliff. Hey, cliff işte. Yes. Cliff. What we can say about cliff?
They are nasıl diyebilirim onu? They are cleaning off to cleaning. Paraşüt atlamak nasıl oluyor hocam?
Jumping.
Jumping in the of the cleaning.
Off the cliff. Yes.
Cleaning.
They are jumping with a parachute from the cliff. From the cliff. From the cliff. Yes.
From the cliff.
Very good. Belki kalandan şimdi çıktım değil mi? From the cliff. From the cliff. Okay, good. Okay, good job.
Teşekkür ederim.
Very beautiful. Really beautiful. Meral, waterfall.
I think the waterfall, there are a lot of waterfall in Canada.
Yes.
It's the biggest waterfall is Niagara, maybe.
Yes. Niagara is one of the biggest. Yes. And Angel Fall is largest. Niagara is biggest and it's
Okay.
largest. Yes, very good.
The
Yes, Niagara is
largest
biggest.
of the Niagara in the Canada.
Yes. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Okay, no problem. Okay, one more question goes for the, where is Arzu? Arzu, what about bushes? Do you have any bushes in Turkey? In Turkey? Don't forget to unmute your voice. Unmute your voice. It's not opening. I can't hear you, Arzu. Okay. İlknur, what about the bushes?
Hello. Mediterranean area. Hi, Mediterranean area has a lot of bushes.
Vay, bravo. Very beautiful answer. Mediterranean area has a lot of bushes, you know, guys. Very beautiful, İlknur. Bravo.
welcome.
Very good. Congratulations. Beautiful answer. Yes. Oh, like
Yeah.
from a geography lesson. Very good. Okay. So, now you can see here a few words. We have here waterfall, cliff, river, bushes, hills, mountains, lake, tree, flower, and sand. Now what will happen? I will try to, and I will tell you the qualities of the landform. I will describe, this is landforms, yes? These are the landforms, mostly, except the flowers and the bushes. I will tell you the qualities, I will describe, and you will try to understand what's that, okay? Which one I'm talking about. Okay. It is very big and it's brown usually. Usually they are very high. You can jump down from them if you have a parachute. What do you think? Which one I'm talking about?
High.
This
Cliff.
one?
Cliff.
Cliff. Yes, I was talking about the cliff. Very good. Now you will try to do the same. You will describe. You will not tell the answer, and we will try to guess. Okay? Guess. Okay? So let's start with Zamzam.
Okay. And can I describe?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Which one you want? It doesn't matter.
There are in the jungle a lot of, and maybe 10, maybe 100, and can be small or tall, high, and beginning of the fruits or green things.
Yes, very
That's all.
good. Beginning of fruits or green things, the leaves maybe. They can be small or very high. They can be very small, very short or high. Okay. What she's talking about? What do you think, guys? What she was describing?
I guess
Tree.
flower.
Tree.
Trees. Yes, that's good. We have a trees finished as well. Good job. Chidem, can you describe one of the words that you see here?
Waterfall.
Don't say for us. We want to guess. Don't say the answer. No cevap, no answer. Choose different.
Repeat hocam.
We don't want answer. I don't want to know which one. You say, blonde hair, tall. Okay, Morta. I want to guess. Tahmin edeceğim. That's why we don't say the name. O yüzden ismi söylemiyoruz, ne anlatıyoruz. Okay, no problem. Choose different one. That's not a problem.
It is big sea. Diyeyim. Big sea.
Yes.
And dangerous nasıl diyebilirim ona?
Very
Dangerous.
good. Yes, it's dangerous.
It is Antalya and Düden Şelalesi.
Okay, no problem. Okay, what is it? What is it? Let everybody think about it. Şelalesi, what can it be? Good. Yes. But Çiğdem, very good. It's very dangerous. It's very big. It's in Antalya. It's in Antalya. What is it, everybody?
Waterfall.
Waterfall.
Good, bravo. I thought you would never guess. Good job, bravo. Cankat, what do you think? Don't say for us. Sorry, I was asking. Which one do you tell for us? Don't say. Okay,
Yes,
describe.
It's border of the line and a lot of bushes.
Mhm.
It knows a lot of bushes.
It has lots of bushes.
Bushes,
Yes.
and
Mhm.
that's around of border is certain.
Beautiful words. Certainly around the borders.
Certainly.
Is it
And
around the borders of Turkey? Is it around the borders of Turkey?
Yani evet diyebiliriz tabii de.
Yes. Okay. Very good. What is
And
it? Okay. And yes.
depth is not deep.
Not
It's
deep.
shallow.
Oh. Now I'm mixed. Now I don't know. What is it, everybody? Now I don't know. Depth,
Yani
not big.
not
Ha.
deep.
Okay, it's not
It's
big,
Huh.
not deep,
Lake.
and it's
not
yes,
deep.
Lake.
lake, yes.
Like,
Okay, it's a
Level of the
lake.
sea is not deep.
Okay.
Okay,
Level
yes,
of
lake,
water. Level of water is not deep. Okay,
not deep,
bravo.
yes.
Very good. Okay. I was thinking at beginning you were talking about mountains because of border.
Lake, yes,
Okay,
level of
Arzu is
sea.
here. Hi, Arzu. Yes, explain for us.
Hi, teacher.
Hi.
It smell very nice, and it colors the environment.
Environment.
And
Uh-huh.
why not? It is used a lot on special oceans. Özel demek istedim ama.
Occasions, special occasions. Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Özel günlerde. Special. Okay, what is it? We know it.
Flower.
Flower. Very beautiful. Special occasions. Very good. Gizem. I see Gizem is ready. Gizem Bayram. One more for you as well. You can do it.
Ben de aslında çiçek için hazırlamıştım kendimi hocam.
Okay. Okay, try to do different, not çiçek. Try something different. You can do it. Okay, do çiçek. No problem, Gizem. Do a çiçek. Do a flower.
Okay. The colors are beautiful. And they have different name.
Yes. Beautiful. Yes, we have different name. We have different colors. Yes. What are they? Everybody, what are they? They are flowers.
Flowers.
Very good.
Flowers.
Okay. Very good. Bravo. So let's keep on knowing. Let's keep on going. Knowing. What is this? Okay, İlknur, what is the longest river in the world? What do you think? What is the longest river?
Nile.
İlknur.
Longer
Nile.
river, Nile in Egypt.
Yes, Nile is the longest river in the world. Okay, very good. Esra Eskici, what is Maldives famous for? Ne için ünlüler? Maldive Islands. What are they famous for?
Maldives is famous
For?
kum.
Yes, yes,
kum
very
neydi hocam?
good. What is it? Who remembers? Kum? Sand. Yes, they're famous for sand. Very good. Bravo. Shafak, which lake is the largest lake in Turkey? Which lake is the largest lake in Turkey? I don't know. Yes. What?
Büyük olanı soruyorsunuz.
Which lake is largest, biggest lake, göl, lake in Turkey?
Türkiye'deki büyük. Yes. One
Yes,
one is göl neydi bir saniye?
lake.
Lake. One is lake in Turkey.
Largest, yes, one
Largest
is the
Turkey.
largest lake in Turkey. Bravo. Very beautiful, very good. Okay. Okay. Rabia, how many seas are there in Turkey? How many seas are there? Do you have any sea? Is Turkey by the sea?
Neydi hocam ya?
Sea, what is it? Deniz. Hatırladım.
Deniz.
Deniz.
How many? Four sea in the Turkey.
Yes.
Çevre neydi hocam?
Nedir? Hangi kelime soruyorsunuz?
Yani Türkiye'nin etrafına çevre diyecektim ama aklıma gelmedi.
Surrounding.
Surrounding in Turkey.
Surrounding Turkey. Very good. Bravo. Beautiful. There are 4 seas which are surrounding Turkey. Burcu, which country has the largest number of trees? Bu arada bu 1 milyon kim kazanacak falan değil yani. Bilmediğimiz soruları da kafadan atarız değil mi arkadaşlar? Yani bunu sadece söylemek istedim. Okay. Which country has the largest number of trees? Lots of trees.
Ağaçlar yani. Ağaç değil mi hocam?
Yes.
The trees in Turkey, çınar.
Okay, very
large.
good. Yes.
Large. Çınar.
Yes. You're saying the largest trees in Turkey is çınar ağaç.
Yeah.
What is it? Which one is it? I'm wondering. Wait, is it maple tree? Çınar, what is it? Wait, I want to see it in English. 1 minute.
Ağaç
Now
türü hocam.
Evet. Böyle büyük. Çok
Maple
büyük
tree.
ağaç.
Isn't it maple tree?
Old tree, kind of.
Oak
Old.
tree.
Yeah.
Wait.
Çınar.
I'm looking again. I have to know. I don't know the name of Turkish trees. Plane. It's not plane. Çınar ağacı. Plane tree. Okay, it's plane tree. Okay, plane tree is biggest tree in Turkey. Okay, very good, Burcu. Okay, Cankat, which country has the largest number of the trees? Which country has lots of trees? Whoa, everywhere trees.
Ben biliyorum.
In the world.
Russia.
Yani Russia, belki Peru olabilir. Bilmiyorum.
Yes. Yes,
Canada.
rainforest. Yes, Canada has lots of trees. Rainforest.
USA.
North Africa.
In
North
North Africa.
Africa.
Wow.
Have a largest tree.
Largest number of the trees. Bravo. Yes. Yes. Very good. Okay. Murat, which country has lots of bushes? Which country has lots of bushes? Hangi ülkede bu küçük alçak sürekli ağaçları vardı?
Egypt.
Australia.
Wait, Murat is talking now. Let's help for Murat. Murat, you can talk.
Türkiye,
You can do
Çanakkale,
it.
Yemen.
Which country? What do you think? Which country? Canada. We can say Canada.
Canada.
Forest. Yeah.
Yes, Canada has lots of forests. Say it. Canada has lots of forests. Yes, very good. Bravo. Canada has lots of forests. Okay. Where do you like to spend your time? In the city or near the nature? Do you like to spend your time? Where do you spend your free time? In the city or in the nature? I spend my time in the nature. I don't like city. Fatma, Duman, where do you spend your time? In the city or in the nature? Fatma?
I think spend of free time. City.
In the city. Good. Very good.
City.
Yes, good. Very good. Betül, what about you? Where do you spend your free time? In the city or in the nature?
I spend of time, free time, in the nature.
Very good. I mostly spend my free time in the nature. Good. Okay. Güler, what about you? Where do you spend your time? Do you like to stay in the city or in the nature?
I spent of time in the nature.
Do you like to go to the beaches, to the mountains, or maybe hills?
I am go to beach and swimming and sunny.
You like sunbathing, sunbathing. Oh,
Sunbathing.
Sunbathing. Very good. Bravo. Very beautiful. Okay. Meral, what about you? Where in the nature do you like to spend your time? In the mountains, in the forest, in the beaches? I don't like nature.
I spent free time in beach and
Yeah.
walking around the town and walking go mountain
Hiking. Yes, very good.
and walking around the lake, Abant Lake, Gölcük Lake. I
Oh,
live in Bolu.
very nice. Very
Yes.
beautiful. Yes. Now I always say I like spend my time in nature I really like. But because shopping mall is so expensive, nature is very good now. I like nature a lot because shopping mall expensive. Okay. Let's keep on going. Who didn't talk today? Shafak, what about you? Where there in the nature do you like to spend your time? There in the nature. Do you like mountains, sand beaches, forest? Which one do you like? Okay, Shafak, listen to me. Shafak,
Yes.
first of all, look to me,
Okay.
look to me. Where there in the nature, doğada, in the nature, do you like spending your time? Do you like forests? Do you like swimming in the sea? Or do you like walking in the mountains?
Anladım. In the marking yürüyüş.
Walking.
Walking. Yes.
You like walking in the mountains, yes?
Yes.
Very good. Yes. Bak, bakın yani konuşmaya başlayınca anlatıyorsunuz kendi derdinizi. Konuşmadan olmaz ama. Çok güzel söylüyorsunuz. Süper. Okay, Esra, what about you? Where do you like to spend your time in the nature?
I spend your time usually city in street walking.
Yes.
I like shopping.
You like shopping. Very good. Beautiful. I like shopping. I prefer shopping. I don't like spending time in nature. All the bugs. Bütün böcekleriyle. Hayır ben gitmem. All the bugs. No, I don't like bugs. Very good, Esra. Bravo. Arzu. Arzu. What is this? Arzu. Miss Arzu.
No worries. I prefer spending time in nature to spending time in the city, seaside, forest, For example, I like camping and walking.
I like camping. Very good. I like camping and walking. Bravo. Very beautiful. Okay. Good. Süper. Okay. Today I will want you, bugün ben sizden isteyeceğim to watch a video. Bu videoyu size gönderdiğim videoyu izlemesini isteyeceğim, tamam mı? Aslında bile o videonunki çok güzel başka videoları da var. Mesela I am the ocean, I am the forest. Yani orada altyazısıyla o kadar güzel kelimeleri var ki. Mesela o thrive kelimesi çok güzel. Ben zorlanırsam sen de zorlanırsın gibi gerçekten kelime bilgisi oradan çıkartabilirsiniz eğer isterseniz, tamam mı? Orada kesinlikle size o videoları o kadar güzel İngilizce söylüyor ki ve o kadar net şeklinde cümle cümle. Onları izleyin. Şey yapabilirsiniz. Kelime bilgisi çıkartabilirsiniz. İsterseniz istemiyorsunuz. Çıkartmayın ama kesinlikle izleyin. Tamam mı? Çünkü video hakkında birkaç soru da soracağım. Sevdiniz mi video? Ne düşünüyorsunuz orada? Doğru mu? Yanlış mı? Bu şeklinde cevapları isteyeceğim. Okay? Tamam. Şimdi soru olan var mı? Birisinin elini gördüm. İlknur bir şey soracaktınız. Sonra gittiniz. Neredesiniz İlknur Hanım? Niye kaçtınız?
Merhaba hocam. Yok, parmağım kalkık kalmış diye indirdim. Sorun
Ha.
yok.
Tamam. Merhabalar tekrardan. Fatma Hanım da bir şey soracaktı.
Benim de aynen parmak kalmış öyle.
Ah, kaçıyor benden bugün herkes. Neyse, Birgül Hanım ama soracak bence artık.
Hocam, aslında şu an sorun yoktu. Biraz önceki tipslerde elimi çok kaldırdım. El de salladım. Beni kaldırmadınız.
Aa, ben sizi görmedim. O zaman söyleyin bana.
Öyle yaptım hocam.
Görmedim vallahi
Ya şu an
görmedim.
elim bozuldu ya.
Öyle sonraki
Vallahi
defa
moralim
dans bana ederek yani şey yaparsınız tam göreceğim
Hocam,
mesela öyle
vallahi
daha
böyle
hareketli oluyor.
yapamayacağınız ya.
O zaman sorayım ben gene soru size. İçinizde kalmasın. Where do you like to spend your time? In the city or in the nature? Nerede zaman geçiriyoruz? In the city or in the nature?
Hocam, ben bunun için hazırlamamıştım ama in nature diyeyim. Ben başka bir soru hazırladım.
In the nature, bravo.
Siz
Where in
hocam.
the nature? Birgül, where in the nature? In the mountains? Do you like walking in the mountains or swimming in the sea there?
Now I live in the edge of the sea. So bu yüzden I don't know swim but I like walking at the sea.
Hazır değilim. Sadece 5 dakika o yüzden konuşacağım ama normalde hazır olsaydım kitap şu anda yazardım. Bravo Birgül Hanım gerçekten. Konuşmayacağım deyip yani öyle çıkıp gerçekten alkış alıyorsunuz benden bugün ya.
Bozuldu ama çok
But
bozuldu.
normally
Ağlayacağım gerçekten ya.
süpersiniz. Gerçekten açıldınız taşıldınız. Olacak artık. Buradan sonra olmayacak hiçbir şey yok sizlerde. Ben size söyleyeyim. Rahat olun. Zemzem Hanım.
Hocam, what's the difference between jungle or forest? Because I used the jungle, but you didn't any say. True.
Jungle. Şimdi
False.
evet, jungle nedir? Jungle daha karışık ağaçları olur. Mesela jungle ne oluyor? İşte palmiye ağacı da oluyor. Her türlü öyle şey gibi. Yani jungle'ı düşününce kafanda öyle gerçekten geçmeyecek gibi yani. Her yerde öyle ağaç şeyleri falan. Ama forest gerçekten ağaçlı bir yeri yani. Sürekli yüksek ağaçları mesela rainforest'i gibi düşünürsek orada da çok yağmur yağıyor. Ama ağaçlar daha yüksek olduğu için orada biz her zaman forest diyoruz. Ama jungle öyle gerçekten öyle geçiyorsun öyle her yerde bir şeyler, böcekler falan çıkıyor. O da işte jungle oluyor, tamam mı?
Balta girmemiş orman mı hocam jungle?
Yani öyle
Yok,
gibi.
forest aslında orman ama jungle Türkçe'de nedir var? Var mı Türkçe'de jungle ismi? Bakıyorum.
Çalı.
Jungle mesela Türkçe'de bakıyorum. Orman da diyor ama sık orman işte öyle yazıyor, tamam mı?
orman.
Yani öyle geçmeyeceksin yani jungle düşününce öyle gerçekten her yerde öyle bir yeşil girmek bile istemezsin yani ona jungle diyoruz. Survivor'da da olabilir işte. Orada onlar gerçekten jungle içinde yaşıyor yani resmen.
Karmaşık olabilir mi?
Aynen öyle. Karmaşıklar oluyor içinde bir sürü şeyler ama forest gerçekten ağaçlı bir yere. Yüksek ağaçları öyle geçebileceğimiz. Tamam. Çimleri yüksek de olabilir ama rahatlıca ağacına çarpmadan geçebileceğimiz bir yeri. Tamam mı? Orman o daha oluyor. Onu şey
Vallahi
yapmamıştık. Neden? Çünkü Türkiye'de çok kullanmıyoruz biz de jungle. Jungle işte animals hakkında konuşurken veya Tayland mesela. Tayland'da jungle diyebiliriz. Orada bütün ormanları öyle giremeyeceğimi gibi. Okey? Ve
teşekkür
jungle
ederim
her
hocam.
zaman sıcak olur öyle. Onun da iyisi
Aa,
var her zaman.
ya Hindistan'da Hint bir arkadaşım çok kullanıyordu bunu. Benim de aklımda
O
oradan kaldı.
çünkü Hindistan'da var onda jungle. O jungle'dan geldi
Ondan
zaten.
demek ki.
Aynen öyle işte mesela elephant çıkıyor bir yerden bilmem ne işte orada kesinlikle jungle artık diyoruz. Tamam
Teşekkür ederim.
mı?
Çok sağ olun.
Süper. Birgül sizi de dinliyorum.
Hocam aslında bir şey daha soracaktım da dün hani direction'da işlerken siz şey vermiştiniz. Go straight on.
Go straight on. Go.
Go straight on ahead mi yoksa go straight ahead olarak mı
Ahead.
kullanılıyor?
Ahead yazılıyor. Ahead.
Ahead.
Go straight ahead. Ahead yani düz. Ahead.
Yani
Yani kafanın düzlüğünde gideceksin.
ahead'i kullanırken on kelimesini kullanmıyoruz değil mi?
Yok. Go straight on veya go ahead. Go ahead.
Tamam ben
Bir
onu
cümle.
anlamadım.
Go straight on. Sonraki cümle. Tamam mı?
Tamam.
Oldu o
Teşekkür
zaman.
ederim.
Okay, everybody. Have a nice evening. See you next week for our last lessons. Bye bye. Have a nice
Bye
evening.
bye.